Whether you're trying to lose fat or eat healthier, cauliflower rice can help. This simple recipe will help cut out the carbs of rice. All you need is a head of cauliflower, cutting board, knife, grater or food processor, paper towel, frying pan, olive oil, butter, and some seasonings. Start by cutting the cauliflower into manageable pieces. Next, grate the pieces into rice-sized chunks. Once everything is grated, place in the paper towel. Then pat dry. Melt butter or heat olive oil in the pan. I use approximately 1 tablespoon. Stir in the cauliflower and seasonings. I like to use salt, pepper, and every once in a while some garlic powder. Cover and steam for approximately 5 minutes. Stir in occasionally so it doesn't burn. That's it. Serve plain or substitute for rice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more wonderful videos.